Welcome. In this short video, we will walk through how you can add inland transportation to your existing Maersk spot bookings online. A few clicks is all it takes to keep your cargo moving seamlessly all the way across land and sea. Start by logging into your registered account on Maersk.com. On the main hub page, type your bill of lading number into the search bar to access your shipment details. Scroll down to the Book Inland Delivery widget and click on View All Location Offers and Book. Next, review the prices for available delivery destinations or search for other locations nearby. Choose your desired destination and click Continue. After this, you can add your delivery address, choose your preferred delivery date and time, and include a relevant reference number. Remember to enter the contact details of someone that the carrier can reach out to for the delivery. If you have any relevant instructions that may help with a smoother journey, enter them on the screen and click Continue to Book to proceed. Review your booking details one last time, and enter any additional email addresses if required. Lastly, accept the terms and conditions and click Book Inland Delivery Now to submit your booking. And that's it. You're all set. Remember to make a note of your case number in the event a follow-up may be needed. Be ready to stay connected across ocean and inland with Maersk.